Hey guys, we're doing our first unboxing video today. This box came from Grand Rapids Liquidations in Dorr, Michigan. We had to get this small one because we only got a car right now, so we can't fit nothing else bigger than this. But this is a clothing box. We paid $40 for it, and it should be all Amazon items. All brand new. Some stuff just might not be in the original packaging. And yes, I am wearing Christmas because I didn't wear it on Christmas. Alright, so we're gonna open this up. Alright. Yeah. Here.
First item looks like
Let's see. Let's see what this is. It is princess costume.
ooh. Oh, very nice.
Okay.
Nice for a little girl. Beautiful.
Not bad.
Retail
Little-
for $16.99.
$16.99.
MSRP.
Yeah.
This one I don't think had a.
Alright, this one doesn't have a barcode to scan, but a really nice pair of socks. Super comfy. Let's see, this is, oh, I'm gonna mess up on this pronunciation. 60% bomb wool. Sounds expensive. 40% wool, 60% cotton. Okay, not too bad.
Nice pair of socks.
And just another pair of socks, Pearberry. How much are those? $10. So we'll say them other socks are $10 as well. Alright, what do we got here? Oh, like a little outfit.
Pajamas.
Little shirt. Oh, nice little kids' pants to go with it.
It's pajamas.
Yeah, pajamas.
Cute.
Pajama set for kids. $26.99.
Wow.
Not that bad.
Yeah.
This right here almost paid for the whole box.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot. I need to put it back in this. Oh.
Inserts.
Picasso wire-free lace bra. Woo! And it's a 32B.
Oh, very popular size.
Oh,
Still in the
Okay.
packaging. Nice.
that's real nice.
Mhm.
$25.
$25.
Nice.
Holy moly, guys. Forget about 32B. This is now an 80B. I don't think them are that big.
I don't think I can fit into an 80.
Alright. What is this?
Yeah.
Beanie hat. $9.99. Oh, that's actually really nice.
Does it say the brand?
Page One is the brand. Oh, real comfy.
Nice.
Another shirt.
Ladies,
Yeah,
tank top.
just a ladies tank top, blue tank top, regular style,
$19.99.
$19.99.
Did you say $9.99?
19.
Oh, 19.
Okay.
Definitely made over $40 already.
Yeah.
Another beanie hat.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like the same exact one, just another black one. Another $10. Hiking, running hat with lights.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh, I gotta rip this packaging up.
Yeah.
Okay, what is that?
That's not what it says it is?
No.
That might be
Well,
something different.
this is a mystery, guys. It is what that said, the hat with a lamp.
Hat with headlamps? Oh, you gotta try it.
Oh, yeah.
You're
Alright.
right.
So it's a beanie
What a...
with a light attachment there, or that might...
Hey.
Oh, actually, that's the light itself there.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Yep. Works.
Works. Nice.
Oh, blue and red. Okay.
Wow.
And I'm not for sure what else this is. Something else that comes with it, maybe just another
Tear into it.
covering.
Might be a scarf or something.
Yeah. Let's see what it is.
Well, charging cord, so I guess
Oh.
that's you gotta charge it.
Recharge your hat? Ooh.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
I
it's a
guess it's
scarf.
just a scarf.
Yeah,
For
go
your
around
neck.
your neck.
Okay.
Not too bad. How much was that?
It didn't show up on
Oh,
the
it
thing.
didn't show up.
Mm.
So Amazon just probably ain't selling it anymore. That's why it's not showing up.
That was a pretty cool product.
I would think it's probably a $15 hat
Yeah.
though.
And your cord.
Oh yes, Ford. This is what, a pillow?
Nope.
No. Ah, we got a robe.
Hoodie. Blanket hoodie.
Blanket hoodie.
Ooh.
Supposed to be.
Keep you nice and warm. Nice and soft and comfy. Ooh, vacuum pack.
Oh, vacuum sealed.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Can you
You
tear
want to show
into
them a
it?
picture
Uh,
like that?
We'll just stare into it.
This is our first box. We're interested in what it looks like.
Then I'll just put it back in there.
Ooh, nice packaging.
Be blue.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, not bad.
No,
What's the price on that?
42.
Oh man, $42.
on a row.
Oh,
Nice.
okay. Gloves. Oh, yeah. Looks like gloves. Oh my goodness.
Oh, there.
Oh, they are gloves. Okay, but
Yeah.
that's not what this thing says.
Nice pair of gloves. What did this say?
Are they leather gloves?
Oh boy, yeah. Definitely not what Amazon brings up. A little more for a different area. But nice gloves.
Very nice.
Oh wow. Sheepskin. Okay.
Ooh.
Another beanie, guys.
Yep.
Third beanie. And
$10.
it is the same exact one, just another black beanie with the fuzzy on top. $10. Ooh, okay, we got a hat. $15.99 for the hat. Okay, just a blue hat. What the heck is this?
It's a boxing.
Okay. That's okay. So yeah, if you're wanting to get punched and you don't want it to hurt, that's what you get.
How much is that?
About 15.
Yeah, 15.
What do you call it? Protection?
Crotch guard?
There we go.
Crotch padded guard?
I'm like, what do we call this?
Now this looks like the other blue tank top we just had earlier. It actually, yep, about pretty much the same woman's tank top.
Okay. $19.99.
$19.99.
And
Oh boy. Alright, well,
Oh, it's a whole kit.
yep.
Nice.
80s costume outfit accessories. Okay.
It's $20.
$20.
Look at all these.
Pink for Barbie, so it'll be easy to sell. Got some jewelry, some more.
Glasses.
Glasses. I mean, a bunch of little stuff to go with it. Real nice. You get a lot with it.
Headband. What a cute
Headband.
set. Socks.
Either socks or a scarf.
Mm-hmm.
One of the two.
That
Must be the
the
80s out. Oh, yep.
little skirt.
Skirt.
Uh-huh.
And a wig.
And your wig.
Nice set for $20. You got a lot in it.
It will look neat again once I redo this. But for
Yeah.
right now, we're just gonna set it aside. Ooh, high quality socks. 6 pair.
Ooh, nice and
Real nice socks.
Fluffy socks.
Fluffy
For
socks.
16.
Okay. $16.99. Yeah, not too bad.
No,
Get a
not
lot
bad
of
at
different
all.
colors in it too. Wow. We have got our 4th identical beanie. Okay. Must be pretty popular item on Amazon.
That's got the price on it.
Nice women's sport shirt right there. Oh wow, $25.
What brand?
Core.
Reebok.
Oh, yeah, Reeboks.
Nice.
Georgie Reeboks.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
I think those are socks.
Oh my. Oh yeah, they are socks.
Yep. Knee high.
Knee-high socks. I'm not gonna open this one because it's pretty vacuum sealed.
$12.
$12.
Oh, underwear.
Is it
Alright.
And, oh, bra and
Yeah.
undies set or something. I think they're just underwear. Yep.
for women?
Lots of underwear for women.
Those are nice. Those are
Nice, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs.
Not $20.
$20.
No.
We got more lingerie.
Yeah.
More bras. 80B again.
Oh my
I'm telling you,
gosh.
whoever is sizing themselves is lying to themselves because these ain't no 80Bs. I can tell you that. More bras.
How much is
Okay.
$28.
Push up, strapless, padded. Okay.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
Mm-hmm.
More socks.
Oh, more socks.
$29.
Oh wow, $29.
Nice.
All right. Nice black pair, yellow and blue.
Sports socks.
Oh, those are sharp.
Yeah, actually, I might keep these. I don't think we're reselling those. That might go into keep pile.
It looks like you.
Oh boy, then we just
Another dress.
okay.
Yeah.
The same
Yeah.
dress.
The
Okay.
I think it was the first thing we showed you, the princess dress. We got another one of them. So we're getting,
And our hat.
alright, well, we're definitely getting multiple items now. Same blue hat.
These are nice. Shorts.
Alright.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
We got
Oh, this might be a set. Or just multiple.
5 of them.
Alright, well, 5 of these, shorts.
They're women's exercise shorts.
Women's exercise shorts. There we go. I was trying to figure out if this was for men or what.
Yeah, you can put your cell phone in the pocket.
Extra large.
Extra large. Alright,
It's
well,
very comfortable.
5 pairs. I'm gonna
They're
say
stretchy, nice.
probably $10 a pair. Or,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
Alright.
The little kids' shirts. Oh, they say stuff. Cute.
Okay.
One kid's shirt. Oh,
2.
they're both the same thing. Alright.
Mhm.
I smell children. 2 little kids' tops. Alright. Star Wars Day, May the 4th be with you. Alright, nice Star Wars shirt for a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Another women's sports top.
Alright, yeah. 3rd one of these. This one looks a little different though.
Yeah, that's a nicer one.
And the last thing,
Ah, last item, okay.
mystery box.
Lala Ween Strapless Adhesive Bra. Lots of bras.
Lots of bras.
Let's open this one up.
Did you get a price on that
Mm-mm.
one?
Oh. Okay. That's what those are.
Inserts.
Inserts, gels,
Yeah.
the whole shebang.
Some nice,
Even got another one.
Oh boy. You got some more of them too.
and another package.
Golligus.
These bras.
And another package of bras.
Those are nursing bras. They didn't come up on a search. We'll have to look for them later.
Okay.
And 2 pairs of comfy, nice,
Oh, there was
soft
2 pairs of those?
socks. Yep, 2
Okay.
pairs
There
of
you go.
those socks.
2 pairs, these winter socks, bra, the bra, and the last bra. Oh, quite a few pairs of these. Just pull out one.
Nursing bras.
Nursing bras,
Yeah, those are nice.
not 80B.
How many items were in the box?
I have 31 items.
Oh, wow, alright, so 31 items came in the box.
40
It was
bucks.
only 40 bucks. Got it from the GPR liquidations in Dorr. And next week, we are going to be getting another clothing box, but from a company called Restock. All their stuff is completely brand new. So we got a clothing box and just a miscellaneous box that we should be getting next week. So more videos coming your way. Alright, and we're gonna give you the total amount of the value of everything, and then we'll compare it with next week's to see which one's better, because the clothing box from Restock is $60, and it said it only came with 22 items. So